Welcome to the fastest and most simply logical way to make money online. Every day, a new ordinary success story finds its beginnings on the internet because they know that the best and quickest way to make money is to sell ready-made, ready-working products. You've seen the articles in magazines and on the news. You've seen people talking about the thousands they've made selling products on the internet. And now it's time to stop thinking and start doing, because the solution you need is here. Investing in useful software is the fastest track to the freedom you've always wanted. You see, online entrepreneurs spend ridiculous amounts each year on internet marketing software that saves them time, money, and stress. The key is to help people by providing them faster and more useful ways to operate their business and automate tedious manual steps online. Who doesn't want that? That's how you can join this online revolution, get a piece of the market that is already a multi-million-dollar industry, and sell software people want to use. They need it. And now you can give it to them without putting in years of development and market research time. So, how do you do it without your own piece of software? How can you earn money from that sector quickly and easily? Keep watching, because the answer follows. Presenting Turbodynamic URL. Turbodynamic URL is one such software that you can use for your own business and can also sell it to others that will need it. So it's a win-win, a very simple, no-nonsense business strategy. Why should people want and use it? Why should they buy it from you? Because Turbodynamic URL allows you and your customers to boost affiliates' efforts by providing them a customized URL through which they can brand your bonus page with their name, photo, and affiliate link dynamically. It's the first professional software of its kind that's used by top marketers and definitely a must-have tool for all internet marketers. You not only get the software, but also get all the writing and marketing materials you need to sell it alone. Here's what is included for you so that you have nothing to do. Your sales letter written by a professional copywriter, a thank you page, cool graphics, a PDF illustrated step-by-step tutorial. Plus, you get resale rights, so you can sell the software. You also get master resale rights, thus sell the resale rights to your customers too. And you also get private label rights that allow you to edit everything and even sign the software as yours. In short, you get a complete turnkey sales package, and you get it straight away. All yours in one easy package. No need to deal with developers, designers, or copywriters. In just a few hours, you can be selling the software yourself. Scroll down the page below to secure your copy today.